Hey folks, we are starting a brand new section on web development using Flask. Until now, we have already covered Django, Python's powerful web framework, and learned how to build full featured web applications using the MVT structure. We also used HTML and CSS to design static pages, and then connected everything together in Django to create dynamic websites. Now it's time to learn another popular web framework in Python, and that is Flask. So in this lecture, we will understand what is Flask, how it works, and why developers choose it when they want speed and simplicity. Let's get started. Flask is often called a micro web framework. This does not mean that Flask is weak or not powerful. In fact, Flask is a very strong and useful tool. It is called micro because it does not give you too many things built in when you start using it. For example, when you work with Django, it gives you many tools right from the beginning. The Django includes a ready-made admin panel, user login system, authentication, and tools to manage databases called ORM. All of these are built into Django automatically. But Flask is different. Flask gives you only the basic tools to build a website and then lets you decide what else you want to add. You are free to choose the extra features you need and how you want to use them. This gives you more control and flexibility. Because of this, Flask is a very good choice for small to medium-sized web projects. It is also great for building web APIs or for making test projects and samples very quickly. When developers want to build something fast or keep their projects simple, they often choose Flask. So what exactly is Flask? Flask is a Python-based framework that helps us build web applications, both small and complex. It was developed by Armin Ronicher and released in 2010. Flask is built on top of another library called Werkzeug, which handles the web server part, and Jinja 2, which is the template engine used to create HTML pages with dynamic content. Together, they form the core of Flask, giving us everything we need to display pages, handle user input, and return responses from the server. Now, if you're wondering why we are learning Flask after Django, here's the answer. Django gave us a solid foundation of web development using a structured approach. It taught us about models, views, and templates, how URLs work, and how web data flows through the backend. But Flask is like an open playground. It allows you to apply all those same ideas, but gives you the freedom to build things your way. You write your own structure, decide how to manage files, how to build routes, and how to connect the front end to the back end. Some big and well-known companies have used Flask in their own systems. For example, LinkedIn, which is a popular website for jobs and professional networking, has used Flask for certain parts of its website where speed and flexibility were important. Pinterest, the image sharing and idea saving platform, also used Flask for some of its tools behind the scenes. Even Netflix, which is one of the largest video streaming companies in the world, use Flask for specific internal services. Flask is especially useful when you want to build RESTful APIs or single page apps. This makes it perfect for those who want to truly understand how web servers and dynamic websites work under the hood. So this is a simple explanation of Flask. See you in the next lecture.